Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about polymer technology. Now start the properties of the polymer. In today topics discuss these crystallinity and glass transition temperature. This is the most important topic. That describe the technique of the polymerization. Now start crystallinity. This is the point of the polymer refers of the degree of as which there are regions where the some polymer chain are aligned with one another phase. However, in order for this to occur, some degree of strengthening the required. This is because of this crystalline. Some regions are the form from the this regulated this block in this polymer chain. Suppose now which one part this as shown is figure. So first of all this one. Okay, this is the polymer chain. This is the polymer chain. Okay, this is the polymer chain. Now this is the amorphous region, crystallization region. Okay. Now, alternatively, in other polymers which is contain chain with regulated portions and the stick order of the some crystalline regions are formed the polymer crystallities where depending on the plastics which one the 10 to 80 percentage first one. Okay, 10 to 80 percentage regions. Now some chains fold and align themselves with one another for a crystallization at intervals of the approximately 10 nanometer. 10 nanometer to form the structures system lamellin. These are in turn of the part of longer sphericals. Some structures in this some terms since there are still some this phenomena okay, does not occur for furthermore line. Okay, there will be a loss of the stratigraphy and thus the crystallizations is inhibited as some fractions of this polymer. Okay, as some this figure में तुम्हें જોઈએ. Okay, simple discussion part for this unit. Okay, now the degree of crystallinity, the amount of structure, some order regions in a plastic has a direct bearings on the materials mechanical and optical chemical and thermal properties. For some example, when an amorphous plastics is at room temperature 21 degrees Celsius, the polymer chain are in a highly disordered and the entangled state of the consequently the movement of the polymer is hindered and it exhibit rigidity and brittleness. However, when an amorphous plastics is heated and the molecular motion is induced and the plastic gradually becomes software and the flexible as the temperature rises without exists the definitive melting point. A semi-crystalline polymer withstand and a given amount of the heat without undergoing softening point. Okay. Now there some point for historical crystallinity अलग अलग टॉपिक आप्या છે. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો તમે આ ફિગર ડ્રો કરી લો. This one. Okay, which one? In order of the crystallinity to occur for synthetic polymer chain and must be capable of the packaging closely together in a regular parallel array. Okay, the note down, draw this figure. Okay, simply for a given type of the all identical in a chain length and manners of the folding and can be stacked line tennis ball for a synthetic polymer is this is not the case, and the crystallinity require packing side by side in a extended from either as planar zigzags or helicals. See sections in this. To do this, the chain must be at least fairly regular. The structure of this periodically esoterics or now to this part, the chain must be at least fairly regular in a structure unless the chain is predominantly isostatic and much more rarely. Okay, this portion for a lamellar, this is a polymer chain, amorphous region, crystallines. Okay, the degree of crystallinity and the some amount of structurally in orders. Some region in the plastic has a direct bearing on this material for mechanical, optical, chemical and thermal properties. Some for example, when an amorphous plastics and the room temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, the polymer chain are in a highly discovered, and these consequently this moment the polymer exhibits rigidity and the brittleness. For however, GRA amorphous plastic is heated and in a molecular motion is induced and the plastic gradually becomes softer and flexible as the temperature rises without existing in the definitive melting point. Okay, to note down this point is important. Okay, now this is a single crystals sign in the download is the full size images. Which one? And this schematic representation of the crystalline impelled showing. Okay, the show these images. And historically, on the basis of the assumed organizational capability of random calls, chain molecules were first believed to crystalline by statistical parallelizations of some chain portion to form small interconnected micelles, and the fingered micelles in this figure. Okay, now the view along the c-axis, such crystals would appear long size and the shape alag alag देते हैं. Okay, shown in the figure. This is X-ray diffraction. This one. Okay, we are the sphericals in identifiable by the polarizing light microscopy, some further by X-ray diffractions. Discrete reflections were observed. The small angles corresponding to structure element in the range of the 10 to 30 nanometer. None of this fitted the picture at the time, but they fill readily in the place in the light of subsequently development. Sphericals where much the subject matters in this scientist name. Okay, the detail following this follow. Okay, this is a graphical system for a flow rate. It is the founder sign of these references for an X-ray study that the molecule chains are normal to the chain directions. The radiating variables of the sphericals are actually elongated. The chain folder label the concentric length. Okay, and the some band when present arise from the fact that the lamellae twist about the radius like ribbons and do so in a regular and cooperative manner. The period of twist corresponds to the separation of bands seen in the optical microscope when the bands are absent and the some structure essentially and the same without for the twisting pieces. Okay, this is some references. Okay, this is the crystallization figure. Okay, the crystallinity of polymer refers to the degree and to which there are some regions. Okay, this crystallinity of a polymer refers to the degree as to which there are regions where the polymer chains are aligned with one another. However, in order for this occurs, some degree of this is required. Okay, so this figure for the crystallinity, this one, the polymer crystallinity can be determined with a DSC by the quantifying the heat associated with melting and fusion of this polymer, and this heat is reported as percent crystallinity by normalizing the observed heat of fusion to that of the 100% crystalline sample of this same polymer. Okay, and that is defined as the degree of long ranges structural order comprising crystals like in solid materials. Now the size and structure of these crystals and the degree of this crystallinity depend on the type and structure of this polymer and on the growth. Some conditions, narrow molecular weight, linear polymer chain and high molecular weight increase from the crystallinity. Okay, so thank you so much.